Are you stuck in a loop, feeling like no matter how hard you try, success seems to be always just out of reach? You've read the books, watched the motivational videos, and even tried positive affirmations, but something's missing. That elusive piece of the puzzle that transforms dreams into reality. What if the key isn't just about what you're doing, but more about the energy you're emitting? In this video, we will dive deep into that missing element, the law of vibration. This little-known but powerful principle is the hidden key to unlocking unparalleled success in your life. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Unveiling the law of vibration. Now, what is this law of vibration all about? Well, it's a cornerstone of the universe, stating that everything, yes, everything, from the chair you're sitting on to the thoughts racing through your mind, vibrates at a unique frequency. So, when you emit a specific type of energy, positive or negative, you're essentially sending out a cosmic invite to experiences, people, and situations that resonate at that same frequency. That's right, like attracts like. So, it's not just about positive thinking, it's about positive being. If you're sending out vibes of positivity, you're setting yourself up to attract similar positive experiences and people. Conversely, if you've been marinating in negativity, don't be surprised if you attract situations that seem to validate those feelings. Let's talk about Sarah, who dreamed of opening her own bakery. She did all the right things: business courses, vision boards, even a Kickstarter campaign. But despite her efforts, she faced setbacks and struggles. It wasn't until she aligned her internal energy, focusing not just on the what, but also on the why, that she began to see a shift. Her business didn't just succeed, it thrived. Sarah understood that she wasn't merely selling cupcakes, she was selling joy, community, and a sense of home. Once she turned her internal frequency to resonate with these positive emotions, she found that she attracted the right opportunities and people to make her dream a reality. This is manifestation at work. By consciously aligning her inner vibrations with her external goals, essentially harmonizing with the law of vibration, Sarah turned her dreams into her everyday reality. The art of manifestation goes beyond vision boards and to-do lists. It delves deep into how you emotionally and energetically align with what you want to attract. When you understand that, you harness the true power of the universe to turn even your loftiest goals into achievable milestones. The science behind vibration and attraction. Now, if you're the type who's skeptical of any concept that can't be backed by cold, hard science, we've got some good news for you. There's scientific research to back it all up. Take the groundbreaking study by Dr. David R. Hawkins and the Institute of Noetic Sciences. Using applied kinesiology, they mapped out an emotional frequency chart. In simple terms, they demonstrated that our thoughts and emotions aren't just abstract concepts. They emit specific vibrations. Low-frequency emotions like shame and fear scored around 20 on their scale, while high-frequency emotions like love and enlightenment went beyond the 700 mark. When you understand this science, the law of vibration doesn't seem so out there. It's pretty straightforward. Align your internal emotional and mental vibrations with your external goals, and you open up a pathway for the universe to respond. High-frequency emotions like joy, love, and gratitude aren't just feel-good states. They are your ticket to attracting the experiences you desire. Vibrating correctly, the key to effective manifestation. So how exactly do you vibrate correctly to set effective manifestation into motion? To manifest successfully, it's crucial to align your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with your desires. Now, this sounds straightforward, but the common pitfalls, such as conflicting vibrations caused by doubt and negativity, can easily get in your way. For instance, let's say Sarah wants to manifest a fulfilling relationship. She's been reciting affirmations and visualizing her perfect partner, but deep down she harbors insecurities and doubts about her self-worth. This conflicting vibration muddles her manifestation process. Essentially, she's emitting mixed signals to the universe, and as a result, she keeps attracting relationships that confirm her inner doubts, unveiling the hidden key to manifestation. Now, when discussing manifestation, we often overlook one critical element. Imagine you're preparing a dish, and while you have all the ingredients, the seasoning, the very essence that ties everything together, is missing. The secret ingredient in our journey of manifestation is emotional congruence. Think about breathing. It's a simple act, but when we focus on it and truly get in touch with its rhythm and our connection to it, it becomes profound. Similarly, tapping into the law of attraction involves conscious study and unconscious application. It's always at work, like you're breathing, quietly in the background, serving you. Emotional congruence is when your emotions are in sync with your desires. It's like aligning two perfectly cut puzzle pieces together. When these are aligned, they amplify the vibrational match, turning your desires into reality at an accelerated rate. Let's look at a real-life example. Meet Jamie. Jamie always dreamt of starting her own business. While she visualized her goals daily, she also practiced emotional congruence. Instead of just imagining the office space, the employees, and the success, she also felt the emotions associated with those visions, the pride of her brand, the camaraderie with her team, and the joy of a successful deal. This alignment of her desires with her emotions created a potent force that rapidly turned her visualizations into reality. Manifestation is more than just wanting. It's about feeling, believing, and knowing. It's the act of visualizing something in the mind's eye so powerfully as if you can touch, feel, and experience it in the here and now. And when you add emotional congruence to the mix, you not only speed up the manifestation process, but also live the experience even before it becomes a reality. Applying the hidden key in daily life. Incorporating the concept of emotional congruence into your daily routine can transform how successfully you manifest your desires and overall well-being. Start by clearly identifying your desires through a list, a journal entry, or a vision board. Next, become fully aware of your emotional state regarding these desires. Are you excited, anxious, hopeful, or doubtful? Recognize these emotions without casting judgment upon them. The essence of emotional congruence lies in aligning these emotions with your desires. Suppose your goal is a loving relationship, but your dominant emotion is skepticism. In that case, you'll need to shift toward feelings of love, hope, or excitement to effectively manifest that relationship. Mindfulness can be a valuable tool during this process, enabling you to maintain this emotional alignment. Writer of the famous book, Unlimited Power, The New Science of Personal Achievement, Anthony Robbins observed people who are congruent act in alignment with their dreams, desires, beliefs, values, mission, and goals. Achieving this level of internal and external harmony is our ultimate objective. This harmony boosts your confidence and draws others toward you in an atmosphere of trust. People instinctively gravitate toward those who live congruently in friendships, love relationships, or business interactions. So don't hesitate to put this concept into practice. Observe the changes in your emotional state, the clarity of your desires, and your manifesting speed as you go along. This isn't just a strategy to reach your goals. It's a way to align your entire being with your aspirations. Case studies and real-life examples. Take J.K. Rowling, for instance, the famous author of the Harry Potter series. Before her phenomenal success, Rowling battled depression and anxiety. Rather than succumbing to these emotions, she aligned them with her passion for writing. She used her emotional experience to fuel the intricate, magical world she created, and in doing so, not only manifested worldwide acclaim, but also found a therapeutic outlet for her struggles. She was rejected by 12 publishers, but with her strong emotional congruence, she found success with the Harry Potter series. Another example comes from the world of entrepreneurship. Richard Branson, founder of the Virgin Group. Branson attributes much of his success to emotional congruence. Known for his adventurous spirit and unshakable optimism, Branson has always stayed true to his core values and passions, even in the face of failure and skepticism from others. Since the age of 16, Richard Branson has founded over 100 businesses. About 15 of them initially failed, but he didn't quit, and the remaining 75% were successful. His emotional alignment with his business goals has enabled him to build an empire that spans various industries, from music to airlines to space travel. Rowling and Branson faced initial failures and setbacks. Yet, their stories highlight how aligning your emotions with your desires can turn adversity into opportunity. In both cases, emotional congruence wasn't just a factor, it was the transformative key that converted their dreams into reality. Overcoming challenges and staying consistent. Maintaining emotional congruence must not be taken lightly. Doubts, Fears and negative emotions can often cloud our path, acting as roadblocks to manifestation. The first step in overcoming these obstacles is identifying them. Acknowledge your fears and doubts without judgment. Becoming aware of them is the first step toward changing your mindset. Once you've identified these negative thoughts and emotions, focus on shifting your mindset. Replace doubts with affirmations and fears with possibilities. The mind is a powerful tool, and reshaping your thoughts is the precursor to changing your external world. Taking action is another crucial strategy for overcoming challenges. It's easy to get stuck in the planning or dreaming phase, but real progress happens when you step out of your comfort zone and take concrete steps toward your goals. It's okay to start small. The point is to start. Understand the importance of consistency and patience in the manifestation process. Rome wasn't built in a day, and your dreams won't manifest overnight either. Keep at it, even when progress feels slow or non-existent. Consistency in maintaining your emotional congruence and taking action is often what turns the tide in your favor. To sum up the whole discussion, the law of vibration teaches us that everything in our universe is in a constant state of vibration, each with its unique frequency. By understanding this and aligning our emotions, thoughts, and actions, we're not just wishing for change, but becoming the change we desire. Emotional congruence is a hidden key, allowing us to sync our inner world with our outer experiences for effective manifestation. So remember, manifestation is not an esoteric concept reserved for the lucky few. It's within reach for everyone. All you have to do is tap into your hidden power of emotional congruence and align your vibrational frequency with your desires. So why wait? Unlock your hidden key to manifesting success today. We encourage you to apply what you've learned and share your experiences in the comments below. Did you face challenges? How did you overcome them? Your stories could inspire others, creating a ripple effect of positive change. Let's create a life of abundance, one vibration at a time.